Hello and welcome back to another show. I'm Sid and this is the 2-minute version of the superhero, supervillain face mask filter effect, which I'm going to show you how to do now. Super simple. Let's create a new project. We'll add two face meshes to our scene. Inside of this face tracker, top one is eyes, bottom one is mask. Then we'll remove the tracking for our eyes and add a material layer. I already have these two assets that I've created. I took the the masculine face and the face mesh retractors from the Spark AR reference assets pack. I added this mask and also these eyes, which don't have to be super accurate, but just generally block out the red tracking dots from the face. You'll see. Oh, my thing's quite low. So yeah, export those files, and then what you want to do is import this, so we'll call this eyes, set it as flat. I can tell that my computer's about to go off. We'll go with white eyes, and that's that done. Now we can come down to our mask, add a material layer for that, call it mask, physically based, choose that file, and then we'll choose our environment texture, just to give it a little bit of that 3D element. You also want to change your color. I'm going to go with this time. Ooh, nice purple. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can adjust the rotation. If you want different types of lighting, you can either make it super metallic or kind of matte. And then you can switch over here and check it out on your face. Obviously, there are going to be some slight adjustments needed, but for the most part, it is pretty solid. So yeah, this is the effect. If you're interested in trying it yourself, let me know how it goes. Let me know whether this tutorial helped at all. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'm trying to get to 10 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm already at 8, which is pretty cool. Yeah, thanks for watching. Happy Christmas, happy holidays, all that good stuff. And I guess I'll just keep on making videos. See you next time. Peace.